The ROG Ally is finally here. And if you want to get your hands on this device, simply go on bestbuy.com and you can purchase this device and have them ship it to you or ship it to the store where you can go ahead and pick it up. So I finally got my hands on one and I'm going to open this bad boy up and show you what to expect when you purchase the ROG Ally X. So right off the jump, you can see that it comes with a black box to show and tell you the color scheme of the device that you're about to get your hands on. So before I open the box, which I already did, I'm going to show you some specs on this device right here. And as everybody said in many videos, the only thing that's different with it is just the color and some upgraded specs. As you can see right here, it comes with the same AMD Z1 Extreme. The only difference is it comes with a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, 2280, not 2230, not 2240, but 2280. And it also comes with a LPDDR5X RAM, 24 gigabytes instead of 16. So you get more RAMs for the money. And the other difference is price. Now the previous ROG Ally is going for $649.99, and this one is currently going for $799. So you pay $150 more for those extras, and also the battery is double the size. The previous generation had 40 watts, and this one is an 80-watt battery, so you get double the size. So as I said, I'm going to open this box up so you know what to expect when you go to the store and purchase yours. If they have it in store, you could walk in and purchase it. And then the only option right now is to go online and purchase it and have them ship it to you, or you ship it to the store so you can go and pick it up. So as you open the box, in the previous generation ROG Ally, it had the box outside of the box was gray and everything inside was white. But as you can see, the inside of the cover right here is all black, just like demonstrate the color scheme of the new device, which is all black, which I think they should have this color in the beginning or have it as an option alongside with the white. I think this is the best looking one overall. It just looks so clean and look more stylish. The inside comes inside the previous ROG Ally. It comes with one piece stand, paper, which is kind of ridiculous, and this one comes with two pieces of this paper stand right here for the ROG Ally. So in this one you get two, the previous one you got one, and there's a reason why. All right. So anyway, let's go further. Let me just get the device out of the way first. And as you can see, now deeper inside the box, everything is all black to go ahead with the color scheme of the device, which is what? All black. Anyhow, in this section right here, it comes with the booklets, comes with some warranty card right here, and also the gaming handheld guide. The manual is black to go ahead with the black ROG Ally X. You get the points. All right, good. Inside this little section right here, it's come with the same 65 watt power brick. The thing is, I don't like this type. I wish it was retractable so you could fold it in, but it is what it is. But next time Asus get with the retractable one, I think it will be more cleaner and better. So I'm just going to put this to the side now, and let's focus on the device at hand. This is a bad boy right here, the new ROG Ally X. And as you can see, it's the same design like the previous generation with just a few little changes. Noticeably, if you look carefully on this one, other than the colors, the D-pad is totally different compared to the previous one. It's more bigger, and you got these diagonals on the sides, and you got the nice cross right here that I like instead of the section. So when they're playing games like Street Fighter, it's hard to pull off moves, but this one is so much easier. Hall effect joysticks. Now these one right here, compared to the previous generation, this one right here feels more firm. It feels almost a little bit in the stiff area, which I really like. The previous one was too light, which I did not like very much. Still come with the standard forward speakers right here, stereo speakers. It comes with the nice little lines on the side, on the left, and on the right, it still got a ROG sign right here. Same color scheme for the buttons, A, B, X, Y. Same buttons right here for the crate, start, select, all that stuff. You see, everything is basically the same, but with some little extras. If you look right here on the corner of the ROG Ally, The logo right here, Republic of Gamers logo right here, is all black in a plastic finish instead of the previous one where it had the shine, colorful finish. Colorful, it depends on the lighting, how you shine and it reflects. As a matter of fact, let me show you real quick because I got it right here. So as you can see in the previous generation, you got this thing right here and it reflects with different lighting, which can be very distracting. It may affect some people's eyes. I'm not too much of a fan of it. So I like the way they tone it down. Very good design. And it still got the same textures right here on the back like the previous one. So you can hold it and play against comfortably. And when you take this thing out of the box, right off the jump, you're going to notice the weight on this thing. It feels a tad heavy. It's not overwhelmingly heavy like everybody said. Whoa, it's very heavy because it's got a big 80-watt battery. It's not much different in weight. And I'm going to show you real quick because I'm going to put it on scale. Now, other than that, same 1080p screen, 7 inches, VRR, beautiful screen, same as always. And the triggers feels more firmer, feels more premium. And the triggers, they have more of a click to it. The previous generation ROG Ally, the triggers, they were silent. These have a click to it. It's so satisfying and it feels so good. It's more. I think they spend more attention to detail and it feels more premium. It feels more solid. I feel more comfortable playing games on it on a long time without worrying that I may break it. This feels more solid, so I'm good with this. Everything is on top of it is black, compared with the previous one where it's all white. You still got the power button right here. It also doubles as a fingerprint scanner to unlock your device. Same 3.5mm headphone jack, upgraded micro SSD slot where they move it further away from the heat pipe to the fans and all of that. So they promise that this one should not melt at the previous one. So I know you guys are not comfortable in ASUS and the promises, but you just got to take them at their word until somebody complains. Same vent right here to dissipate heat. You got the same volume up and down buttons, and you got 2 USB Type-C ports right here instead of the 1 USB Type-C and the other slot for the GPU, which I like is better because you could also connect some other things to it like a USB Type-C to HDMI, and you can have this right here to connect to your power bank, which I think is pretty cool. And if you look carefully right here, this USB Type-C port right here is here Lightning and it's a 4.0. So this is a USB, this is the latest USB Type-C 4.0 that's going to give you fast charging. So you can juice up this big old beefy 80-watt battery at a reasonable time. And it feels very good. I like the options. And if you notice, the back of it, I still like the nice clean look with the vents right here to push, so the fans can push out some of the heat. Nice touch. And when you buy this device, is the buttons back here, the M1 and M2 is miles smaller, way smaller than the previous generation. Some may like it, some may don't. But I don't know. I'm not so much fond of the small buttons. And it feels good though. So that's pretty much it for the design. And that's all I want to show you guys, the design of this bad boy right here. And what I'm going to do in the next video, I'm going to do a comparison. Oh yes, I almost forgot. Before I forget, I'm going to put this and the previous generation ROG Ally on a scale, so you could see that it's not so much off in terms of weight. Because like I said, it comes with a 40-watt battery. This one comes with a 40-watt battery, and the weight is okay. You can feel the difference with this one, but it's not overwhelmingly heavy like I think some people exaggerated that, oh, it's heavy. It's not much of a difference. And I'm going to show you real quick. With the previous ROG Ally, what comes with a 40-watt battery, when I put this on the scale, you can see it's 675 grams with the 40-watt battery. This one right now comes with an 80-watt battery, which is double the size. Put it on the scale, 681 grams. Not much of a difference, but you can feel it. But it's not overwhelmingly heavy like all of those people saying. So I think some of them are just exaggerating. But everything about it feels very premium. I love this one better. And like I said, there's some things I want to talk about, but it's going to be in the next video. But remember, this is what you expect when you buy the new ROG Ally X. Beautiful black, extra ports, extra USB Type-C ports. And if you have accessories, the design is the same. So you've got like cases or screen or extra screen protector around, or a battery or battery pack with a clip, everything will fit just the same because it's the same design, nothing extra. All right, well, a lot of things extra but nothing to, you get what I'm trying to say. But anyhow, that's all I got to show you. So subscribe and like, look out for the videos that are going to pump out in the next couple days. I got some accessories and I'm going to do some comparison between this one and the previous generation ROG Ally. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in.